Hello and welcome to Skjolden. This is a lovely little port in Norway, and we've just got off the P&O Aurora and we're just going to go into the town, have a look around. It's absolutely stunning. There's some stunning scenery. We were up at 6 o'clock this morning looking at all the scenery. It's at the end of the longest fjord in Norway apparently, isn't it?
Yeah.
So yeah, let's just go and check out what it's like. So if you're here and you haven't booked an excursion with your cruise line, there are some companies offering rib boat trips and bicycle hire. I've popped the prices up for you so you can have a look at how much it costs. So that could be an alternative if you haven't managed to get on an excursion that you wanted to. So we're in the village now, and it's just such a lovely, pretty little place. It is tiny. There's lots of holiday homes here, lots of really pretty cabins, and it's just a really stunning place to just sit and relax and just watch the world go by, I suppose. It's got lots of mountains around it, and we can see waterfalls up high. Just absolutely beautiful and in such a gorgeous weather. And outside the tourist information centre, there's a big poster telling you of various walks you can do in the area and how long they take. Make sure you bring the right clothing.
We're just headed off on a walk around the outskirts of the village. There's a really big lake that you can see in the background, so we're just going to walk around that for as long as possible. I've got a blister, so I probably will be a bit of a hindrance, but we'll go as far as we can because it's so pretty. And there's waterfalls. There's an example, in case you don't know what a waterfall looks like, around the edge of the lake. So oh, there's a little fly that just, it just went, you'd have seen it just fly past the camera. Yeah, so let's go.
There's a crystal sparkle in the sky, with water clear and mountains high, hills that roll towards the clouds, far away from noisy crowds. The silence of the stream that glides, the waterfall its secret hides, the magic of this special place, a look of joy upon your face. Norway's beauty is shining clear, it's a memory that I hold dear. Take my hand and hold me tight, looking out on evening light. Ripples dance across the lake, birds are singing as they wake, as we walk along the trail, spotting boats as they sail. Norway's beauty shining the lake. Birds are singing as they wait, as we walk along the trail, spotting boats as they sail, spotting boats as they sail. We make our way at the end of the day to Aurora, see the views, sunset hues on Aurora, on Aurora. Sail away on this wonderful day, down the fjord we applaud, on Aurora, on Aurora. We make our way at the end of the day to Aurora, see the views, sunset hues on Aurora, on Aurora. Sail away on this wonderful day, down the fjord we applaud, on Aurora, on Aurora.
So here we are, it's 8:30 in the evening and we are sailing down one of the fjords in Norway. It's bright, it's clear, it's quite warm, and it's going to be like this until 1:45. That's when it's going to start going dark. It's just so lovely being able to come out of an evening onto the decks and look at the scenery around you. It's very much like being on a river cruise where there's so much to see, and it really is spectacular, some of the scenery we're seeing. It's the middle of summer, we're seeing snow on the top of mountains, we're seeing forests, little villages. We even saw some dolphins yesterday. It is absolutely stunning. I can't recommend coming to Norway enough. I absolutely love it. Hurry up, I need a wee.